green powered Jeff Donahue is hooking up the service wire, well right now the ground, to the meter loop. I am wiring the switches for the light and the fan in the bathroom. So I have one load line coming in, and then I split off of that power for the two switches, and then this bottom one goes up to where the light will be, and the other one, which is hanging down right here, will be where the fan will be. That's going to be right up there. Okay, I have the neutrals and the line, the load wire nutted together, and now I need to bring some clips in here and hammer that up. I'll have to put the cover, this cover, on the fan, and I'm going to have to put a hose on that and port it out, drill a hole and port it out there so that air can escape the building. But other than tacking that wire up over here, now I have to put in the switch for it right there, the blue one. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, the power is connected. What's that?
What's what?
What's that?
That is my light.
Oh, how does it work?
With the switch over there?
Electricity?
Yes.
Whoa.
But with all the stuff that we have, I have to do the old lady thing, use a can to
Use a cane.
until we get some of this stuff moved. But hey, it's a light.
It's electricity.
So we can wrap a Christmas present.
Let me check some let me check this bathroom. Let's see. It's kind of dark in here. Let me turn this on. Ooh! And wait, does the fart fan work?
Yes, it does.
Wow.
But I still have a